So we are Tektelic, we are a Canadian company and we are a manufacturer of IoT solutions. We are the largest manufacturer of LoRaWAN IoT solutions, which today focus predominantly on industrial applications. We have a very large portfolio of network solutions, means gateways, network service, application service, everything that really is hosted either in a cloud, on premises, and then we focus on two markets. We focus predominantly on the indoor and outdoor asset tracking, and on the other side, we'll show you we focus on facility management. Means trying to make buildings smart, more efficient, energy efficient, and easier to operate.
This episode is sponsored by Aira, a leading provider of AI facial recognition and environment-specific solutions.
If you look here, the way it operates, these are all LoRa devices, and LoRa devices are particularly known because they consume very little energy and they can transmit, so energy meaning battery life, and they can transmit data very, very far, kilometers. And inside the building, you need to deploy small gateway that we have on the other side, and then you can really track thousands of these devices. And these devices would be mounted either on, your assets or potentially people. This device is an active tag. It can monitor people, know their location, indoors, outdoors. It has GPS built in. It has BLE, Wi-Fi capability, so it can tell where people are. It has, SOS buttons build capability. You can see we have larger trackers. These trackers are designed to be deployed on trains, on larger vehicles, and they have 10-year battery life. And again, when they're outdoor, they use GPS. When they're indoor, they use either BLE or Wi-Fi technology to locate the assets. And then obviously we have even assets such as these. These are designed for like ATEX, explosive proof. So oil and gas people, construction people, mining people, they wear these devices, and then they can be located indoors or outdoors, and in case of accident, they will push SOS button and we can locate them. So it's a fully integrated solution that the way it works, we provide the network solution, the devices, and the software that can be very easily integrated into existing databases. So large companies, they don't really need our, we'll call it end application or GUIs, right? Because they have their own software, they understand their business very well.
Yes.
But what they're looking for is to easily integrate the data generated by these devices in their applications.
Yes.
And we provide them turnkey solution. They provide the gateways, devices, the software, and then it's very easily integrated in their existing applications, and they can be up and running in a month time frame, collecting data. So if you go on another side here, everything what you see here is designed for smart buildings. So all these devices are, it shows that right now we are occupied. This was a meeting booked by, somebody until 12:30. We can monitor. These devices, for example, they monitor indoor air quality. It's getting really bad. It's already 716, used to be only 400, so more people. That's the temperature, humidity. It's really from this sensor. These other sensors monitor presence of people. They all run for 10-year battery life.
Yes.
And I'll show you that, for example, this sensor right now, we'll drop it in a tiny bit of water, and you'll see it will blink. It will blink to show us that it detected moisture, and then very quickly, it's already sent alarm that the moisture has been detected. But our application now just detected right here. See, leak detected.
Okay.
So it sent from one solution using LoRa to completely different solution integrated set. We detected moisture, and this is just a display, right? We made it, and we made it in half an hour, and it shows the same temperature, humidity, CO2 update literally happened right now, and at the top, all this data comes from this device, right? And the leak detection that you saw there comes from this device. And we can integrate any data from any device, bring it all together. And all the stuff connects. You don't even need to deploy again any new applications. all this is connected directly to existing building management solutions that every building has. So every building has these are called building management systems. Yeah, it's things that monitor your fire alarm, your HVAC temperature, humidity, your entry, entry into the building for security purposes, your lights. These things monitor, every building has it. Many buildings have 10, 20 of them, large buildings. And everything what we have here is integrated directly to work with existing building management systems. So again, any building that you have today in any country in the world, we're talking millions, you can add these devices and make them smart in 1 or 2 days.
Okay. Just even I have different buildings from different countries, I can to
Yes.
from the system.
Correct. All these solutions, they use LoRaWAN. It's called long range, stands for long range. All these devices are used on licensed spectrum. So it means anybody can deploy.
Yeah.
And the beauty about them is these devices will run 10 years on a single battery.
Okay.
And they will connect to little gateways 3 to 4 floors above or below. So connectivity cost is absolutely free. And they have very long life because battery life, they're very accurate, and they integrated directly with the existing building management solutions. So any building you have, you can make more energy efficient, easier to sustain, easier to operate without changing anything what they have deployed today. And the same people that operate the buildings today can deploy this technology without even really thinking that's a new technology. For them, it's just like they're deploying existing sensors. We have lots of gateways. We have lots of gateways on display here. You see, they're talking. All those devices talk to a gateway like this, and this tiny gateway can cover outdoors kilometers. Indoors, it covers at least 5 floors of the building. At least 5 floors. So, in a 25-story building, you need to put 5 of them. They'll cost you maybe total $1,000, and you have entire building then being smart. Thank you very much for the interview. I hope this was educational for you. It was very educational for me to describe what we do. And if anybody would like to reach to us and understand what we do, you can find us at Tektelic.com. We're a Canadian company. We're a manufacturer of IoT solutions. And we have obviously our people, business support all over Asia, Europe, North America. Thank you.